Hello and welcome to Enabled Learning Management System. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features and functionalities of the platform from both the admin and learner perspectives. Let's get started by logging in as an admin. Here is the admin landing page and dashboard. The side navigation displays multiple options like teams, content, gamification, and so on. The dashboard provides insights into users, courses, content materials, and topics. The admins can also access a list of users, view individual user analytics for deeper insights, and review course analytics for a comprehensive understanding of the platform's engagement metrics. Admins are empowered to leverage the platform's multi-tenancy capabilities by crafting roles tailored to specific responsibilities within each tenant. By defining roles with granular access levels and permissions, they ensure users have the precise functionalities needed to excel in their roles, fostering efficiency and alignment with the unique goals of each tenant. The platform provides the flexibility to create users either individually by entering required details such as name, email, phone number, and role, or in bulk using the bulk upload feature to onboard multiple users at once. Admins have the provision to create engaging courses. Course creation includes defining course details, uploading modules, adding wide range of content types, and adding assessments, quizzes, and other interactive elements in various formats. The live sessions or virtual learning feature enables admins to set prerequisites, schedule sessions, define class sizes, and seamlessly share web links and passcodes. For paid sessions, the integrated payment gateway ensures a smooth and hassle-free transaction process for both administrators and learners. Learning paths take center stage as the ultimate tool for structured learning. Admins are empowered to create and customize learning paths by grouping related courses, providing learners with a clear and guided journey through a well-structured curriculum. The approval section enables admins to manage and approve various requests efficiently, ensuring all activities are streamlined and aligned with organizational workflows. Notifications are key to keeping learners informed. Admins can configure them to ensure learners stay on track with important updates. Admins are equipped with certificate authorization to issue certificates for course and assessment completions, customizable to align with your organization's branding and standards. The platform allows admins to customize its appearance with logos, colors, and branding for a consistent and professional look that matches the organization's identity. Let's take a tour of the learner's journey. Upon logging in, the learner arrives at our landing page. They can search for courses, switch between languages, select a preferred language, customize their theme to suit their preferences, view important notifications, and access their profile. The dashboard features a side navigation menu that displays the various functionalities. The learner can track their completed courses, progress, view announcements, leaderboard, certificates, and resume the courses. They can also personalize their dashboard by toggling the switches, allowing them to customize the layout. The learner can explore our vast content repository featuring recommended content, instructor-led training, registered sessions, training paths, content repository, and a virtual library to enhance their knowledge. They can browse available courses and register easily with just a few clicks. Once registered, they can easily access and complete courses at their own pace, providing flexibility and personalized learning experience. They can submit assignments, take assessments to evaluate their understanding of the course material, view their scores, analyze their performance, and offer feedback on their training. After completing a course and its assessment, they can earn a certificate which is available for download. And finally, learners can stay motivated with our leaderboard. They can earn coins which determine their levels as well as badges for completing courses. They can compare their progress with peers, redeem rewards, and climb the ranks to become a top learner. Social learning features enable collaboration with team or group members, fostering a sense of community through discussion forums and communication boards, with all content subject to admin approval. Learners can easily edit their profiles to update personal information, showcase achievements, and enhance their learning experience. They can view the badges earned and check the status of their competencies, including the specific skills mapped to those competencies. Our competency tracking feature enables them to monitor their skill development through ratings from managers, self-assessments, and peer reviews. Furthermore, they can see the number of skills they have achieved as well as those they have yet to attain. That's a wrap. We hope this experience has demonstrated how the platform can transform learning and development within your organization. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Enabled LMS. At Excelsoft, we are committed to redefining the way people learn and helping you experience the future of education with us.